We are Kochu Kids Fun.
Come along and play with me. Animals are happy as can be. Let's go to the farm and around the town and hear the sounds they make all around. The little brown dog goes woof, 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 wagging his tail on the kitchen roof, with a woof, woof here and a woof, woof where. Happy puppy everywhere.
The fluffy white cat goes meow, meow, meow. She is looking for a mouse right now, with a meow, meow here and a meow, meow there. Soft kitty cat everywhere.
The big fat cow goes moo, moo, moo. She has a yummy snack for you, with a moo, moo here and a moo, moo there. Big friendly cow everywhere.
The yellow duck goes quack, 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 with a little bag on his tiny back, with a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there, splashing in the water everywhere.
The king of the jungle goes roar, roar, roar. Hear him loud, let him roar some more, with a roar, roar here and a roar, roar there. Strong lion everywhere.
The fluffy sheep goes
Ba, ba, ba.
following her mommy and her pa, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Woolly sheep everywhere.
The cheeky monkey goes chee, chee, cha, cha, eating a sweet and a yellow banana, with the chee, chee here and the cha, cha there. Jumping monkey everywhere.
The big elephant goes pow wow, pow wow, swinging his trunk to say I love you, with a paw here and a paw there. Giant elephant everywhere.
Now we know what the animals say. We can mimic them every day. Woof, meow, moo, and roar. Next time we will learn some more.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Kochu Kids Fun. Let's have fun together.